Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare chicken with lady's finger. So the ingredients that I require to prepare this recipe are, here I have taken 300 grams of chicken and I have cut them into small pieces. There are bones also, as you can see. This is near about 300 grams of lady's finger, which is also called as okra. Cut them into 1 inch size. Nicely wash and cut. This is 2 medium-sized tomatoes roughly chopped, 2 medium-sized onions sliced, 3 dried red chilies, little bit of fresh coriander leaves. Here we have taken 1 tablespoon of vinegar, white vinegar, salt as per our taste. This is 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Here I have taken all the dry spice powder, this is cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, little bit of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. So friends, now I am going to prepare this recipe. I am going to prepare it in mustard oil. You can use any other oil, but I would prefer mustard oil because this gives a lovely flavor to this recipe. So now let's get started. So friends, here I have heated 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, and the first step that we are going to do is we will fry the lady's finger in this oil. Just be a little bit fry it. Sorry. So over high flame, we'll fry this for near about 2 minutes. Now friends, after 2 minutes, the okra looks like this, lady's finger. So we will take this out. We will not fry this anymore. So I'll take it out in a bowl. Now friends, here I have taken out the fried okra, and after taking out the fried okra, I have also reduced the quantity of the oil. So I have reduced the quantity of the oil, and now I am going to add the onion in the same oil, and after adding the onion, I have broken these dried red chili, and I am going to add this. I will saute this over high flame till the onion becomes slightly cooked. Slightly pinkish in color it will turn. So I will saute this, the onion and the dried red chilies. So here is our onion cooked. We will add the ginger garlic paste. We will just mix it a little bit. After the rawness of the ginger and garlic paste goes off, we will add the dried spices. That is the coriander powder, cumin powder, the Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder. Now we will add the tomatoes, because these dry spices needs to be cooked properly. Add salt. Salt should be as per our taste. We will add the vinegar. Now over medium flame, we will cook these spices together till the tomatoes get dissolved. Now friends, as you can see, our tomatoes got dissolved. So now this is the time I'm going to add the chicken to this recipe. I will saute the chicken with the spices for 3 to 4 minutes over medium flame. Now friends, as you can see, the spices are well blended with the chicken. So I will add half a cup of water. Little bit of fresh coriander leaves so that the flavor of the coriander goes into the chicken, and then I will cover this and let it simmer over high flame for 2 minutes so that our chicken gets cooked completely. Now friends, as you can see, the curry is simmering, so I'll remove the lid. Now we will add the fried lady's finger to this recipe. Just mix it. And we'll cover this and cook for near about 2 to 3 minutes. Now friends, we will open the lid and we can see our curry is ready. So the thickness of the gravy, I want this much. If you want it more, if you want more gravy, you can add a little bit more lukewarm water. You please taste the salt before putting off the flame. And our lady's finger and chicken curry is ready. So I'll put off the flame. Now let's serve it. So friends, here is our chicken and lady's finger curry ready. You can savor this with nice and hot rotis as well as plain boiled rice. Very easy to prepare. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.